Are you looking for the best true wireless earbuds? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best true wireless earbuds on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Jabra Elite 85T. The truly wireless Jabra Elite 85T earbuds have been designed to provide an experience that is unparalleled in terms of both phone conversations and musical performance. Featuring fully adjustable Jabra advanced active noise cancellation, 12mm speakers for a powerful sound, up to 25 hours of battery life, ANC on, and 6 mic technology with wind protection for incredible call quality. Because it uses Jabra technology, the entire thing is packed into an extremely compact body. Because active noise cancellation isn't the only meaning of the acronym ANC, Jabra Elite 85T, accept no compromise. It turns out that you can have anything you want. The Jabra Elite 85T wireless earbuds have been designed with the most innovative technology available, allowing you a music and phone call experience that is unparalleled. For instance, it is equipped with technology known as Jabra Advanced Active Noise Cancellation. Number 2. Bose QuietComfort Earbuds. The world's most powerful noise-canceling earbuds, these headphones include 11 different degrees of active noise cancellation, allowing you to listen to music, watch videos, and listen to podcasts without being distracted. Additionally, the transparency option invites people from the outside world to participate in brief chats. The details are sharp and crystal clear, and the bass is deep and rich. The advancements made in the design of these noise-canceling headphones result in a sound that is dynamic and lifelike, as well as rich and balanced at any volume level. Because every surface that comes into contact with your ear is made of pliable silicone, it is comfortable to wear for the entirety of the day. Additionally, the ear tips come in 3 different sizes, allowing you to find the one that is the most suitable for your ears. Even when exposed to wet conditions such as rain, sleet, hail, snow, or sweat, wireless noise-canceling earbuds with an IPX4 rating have been demonstrated to be capable of producing music with excellent sound quality. On a single charge, you may get up to 20 hours of battery life from your wireless earphones, and you also have the ability to control them. Tapping and pushing the surface will accomplish the desired result. To silence ambient noise, press and hold the left earbud twice. To pause and play music, double tap the right side of the screen, and swipe up and down to adjust the volume, opt-in feature via Bose Music app. Within a range of up to 30 feet from your device, Bluetooth earphones will function. When you are on a call, the microphone system will filter out the majority of the ambient noise in the room. Compatible with mobile platforms such as iOS and Android. Number 3. Apple AirPods Pro. Active noise cancellation delivers an immersive listening experience, and the transparency mode enables you to hear and connect with the world around you. Sweat and water resistant, with 3 different sizes of soft, tapered silicone tips that allow for a personalized fit. The music is automatically tuned to the unique characteristics of your ear canal through adaptive equalization. Simple configuration for all of your Apple devices. Simply saying "Hey Siri" will give you instant access to Siri. More than 24 hours of battery life is provided with the wireless charging case. Number 4. Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2. You now have a design that is better, which implies that you can now use your earbuds to take pleasure in longer playlists, longer layovers, and longer lingering conference calls. Because they are so comfortable, you might even forget you're wearing them. The new Momentum True Wireless 2 has been thoughtfully designed for your all-day listening pleasure, with new ergonomics that have been made to ensure the best possible fit, an impressive 7 hours of battery life on a single charge, and a total of 28 hours of battery life when combined with the charging case. The programmable touch controls that are included in both of the earbuds were developed with the intention of making your daily life easier. You can effortlessly control your audio, manage your calls, and activate either Google Assistant or Apple Siri with only a tap. In addition, you won't miss a single second of your favorite music thanks to the intelligent pause feature. When you take out your earbuds, they will immediately pause, and when you put them back in, it will pick up exactly where it left off. dedicated to influencing the course of audio's future. The Momentum True Wireless 2 blends the most cutting-edge technology with materials of the greatest quality and a meticulously crafted design. This features an enhanced rating of IPX4 for splash resistance, which indicates that they are completely immune to damage from precipitation and perspiration. Regardless of the activities you participate in on a daily basis, you can now have peace of mind knowing that you've located the most suitable new set of earphones for you. Number 5. Klipsch T52 True Wireless. It is designed to give powerful performances despite having a relatively compact form factor. The dynamic driver offers a high output together with a neutral tone and an extended low-frequency range. The battery life of the earphones is 8 hours on a single charge, and it may be extended to up to 24 extra hours with the charging case. Not only does the brushed metal battery case for your earphones allow them to be charged, but it also shields them from damage when they are not being used. You should also anticipate more than an hour of playback time from a quick charge that only takes 15 minutes to complete. The USB-C port is used to charge the case. This type is made to let the sound from the outside world into your ears so that you are aware of everything that is going on in your surroundings at all times. Your calls will be loud and clear thanks to the integration of 4 beamforming microphones with clear voice chat. These microphones automatically improve the clarity of your speech and cut down on background noise. It provides a high-quality, seamless connection between your earphones and the device you are using while simultaneously minimizing the footprint in your ear. The range is up to 10 meters, 33 feet. These earphones have a rating of IP67, which indicates that they are resistant to water and dust, dust-proof and waterproof, earbuds only. Simply pair it with your device, and you'll have a robust wireless connection in no time. Including the AAC and aptX formats. Compatible with mobile platforms such as iOS and Android. Simply pressing one button will instantly link you to the digital assistant of your choosing.